Keep it clean. How to play. The object of the game is to get the most points. Setup. Shuffle the deck and place it face down on the table. Give each player a pen or pencil and slip of paper. Choose one player to keep score. The player who most recently showered is the first judge. The judge draws the top card from the deck and reads it aloud, then starts the timer. Every other player must now write down a word or phrase that the drawn card might be describing that isn't dirty. When the timer runs out, all players must stop writing, and one by one, each player reads their answer aloud. The judge awards 1 point to each player with a unique and innocent answer. The judge also awards 1 bonus point to the player with the best answer. Duplicate answers do not score points. Answers that don't seem applicable to the card or that aren't clean enough also do not score points. The round is now over. The role of judge rotates clockwise by 1 and a new round begins. After each player has been the judge twice, the game ends and the player with the most points wins. If there is a tie, then the tied players face off. Draw a card and flip the timer. The tied players write as many clean answers they can think of. When the timer ends, the player with the most unique answers is the winner.